And then, what is purpose of these exhaust pipes, heat seals, what we can see in here in this car below area, and here is like fuel tank in that area. And what is purpose of these heat seals? Because now I have also removed that exhaust pipe, and really this heat seals purpose is to eliminate fire and overheating in this car. Because if we remove these heat seals, then even our fuel tank can become too hot. And there are those heat seals, and now exhaust pipe is really away. Okay, and now we are really looking at my handbrake cable, and there we can see that it goes in just in below and behind of these heat seals. Now I have to remove that heat seal. There are 10mm bolts, and also I have now removed also this exhaust pipe, and that means that this is really difficult job, because I have to take exhaust pipe away and also heat seal. But next I open these 10mm bolts in here, these bolts in that area, and then these heat seals goes away. And there are those two, and cable is just in below of that area. Okay, let's look at when I open these bolts and what we can see next. Good, very interesting thing. Okay, and now I have removed this heat sealed, these bolts in here, and now when I move that, I can take that carefully away. This is like heat sealed,